Hey, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to today's math lesson. We're going to be discussing finding the area of the shaded region of squares and rectangles. If you have not already done so, make sure you have your math journal and a pencil handy and take a second to copy down the picture on the screen. If you need extra time, you can pause the video. So today we're going to be looking for area of the shaded region. So in this figure, you can see we have the shaded area, and then in the middle we have the unshaded area. So we want to go ahead and find the area of just the shaded part. So in this case, we have all of our dimensions that are needed. 12 meters as our length, another length here of 10 meters, we have 7 meters, and we have 2 meters. Remember to find the area of a rectangle or a square. It is area equals length times width. So right now, let's go ahead and let's call the shaded region rectangle 1, and let's call the unshaded region rectangle 2. So let's go ahead and find the outside, the entire thing first. Because really what we're going to have to do is we're going to find both areas, and then we're going to get rid of the small one in between. So here we have area equals, we have 12 times 10, 12 times 10. Area equals 120 meters squared. So that gives us the area of the entire figure. Now let's go ahead and let's find the area of the unshaded. So again, we have area equals, we have 7 times 2, area equals 14 meters, and it is going to be 14 meters squared. Awesome. So we went ahead and we found the area of the entire thing, of the entire figure, and we've gone ahead and we found the area of the smaller figure. So now we can go ahead and subtract the area of rectangle 2, the smaller one, from the area of rectangle 1. So it's going to be 120 minus 14, 120 minus 14, which should give us 106 meters. And again, we have to make sure we square. So the area of the shaded region would be 106 meters squared. Okay, let's go on to the next page, boys and girls. So again, go ahead and copy this down if you have not already done so. So we're going to be solving this problem a similar way to the last one, where we're going to be solving for two different rectangles. So in this case, we have this framed field. So we have the unshaded region in the middle, and then we have the shaded region on the outside. Sorry, I have a dog barking in the background. Hi, Fonzie. You saying hi to everybody on the video? Awesome. Fonzie's almost done. He just wants attention. Yes, I know. Okay, so in this clip, we have a frame around our field. So if we look, we can see that the length of our field is 8 meters from here all the way down to here, and the width of our field is 6 meters from here to here. We can see that the width of our frame from here to here is 1 meter, and then up and down it is also 1 meter. So in this case, we do have multiple options on how we can go ahead and solve this. I'm going to share one way today. So what we can do is we can break this up into separate rectangles. Now we have to make sure that when we do that, we're going to account for all of the dimensions in here. So first, remember that this is 1. So now, what's the length of this entire line? It is 8 meters. So this rectangle would have a length of 8 and a width of 1. Now, let's go ahead and find the bottom here. So we have this rectangle now. So now we have a length of 8, it's already there, and we know our width is 1, it's right there. Now, if we know this side, isn't this side going to be exactly the same based on our rules of geometry? The answer is yes. So we'd have our width, and we have our length of this line is going to be 8 meters again. Then we can go ahead, and again, we know the bottom one here, 8 and 1. So we know that this one is also 8 meters, and it has a width of 1. So now we can go ahead and fill in our formulas. So we have area equals 8 times 1. Boys and girls, I'm hoping you can see that how many times have we done our 8 times 1? We've done it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, right? So we know the area of each of these is 8 meters squared. So we can go ahead and multiply 8 times 4 equals 32, and that's going to give us our 32 meters squared. Tomorrow I'll post another video on how to solve it a different way. Good luck with your work today. Go get 'em.